Hi, welcome back. We are going to be swapping out my leads today. Should be a 30-second job. As you may not know, this lead, the connector came off when I was pulling it out from the spark plug to change the spark plugs. And as you can see when I pull this through, it's completely knacked. So what I'm going to be doing is just replacing them all. So quick trip down to Euro Car Parts. And for a few pounds, we now have a new set of leads. And typically I drop something right in the engine bay, a little piece of paper. I'll grab that in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to replace these one at a time. I think they're all slightly different lengths. So let's start on this side. There's the shortest. Is this one the shortest? Very probably. Let's pop that back in. So what I'm going to do is just start from the left to the right and just pull one out. That unclips from there just by pulling again. Measure up against the one I've currently got. Looks to be the same length. And hopefully this should just connect straight up. Next one is also we have these two. Come on, off you come. There we go. So this one went underneath. Let's get that one off. And then finally, okay. Let's just check everything fires up nicely. 30-second job. that all fires up great. The 30-second job, all nicely done. This seal a bit further flat, but that can now get ready to do an oil change. So after the spark plugs, that was a bit of a surprise, but for 25 quid, we're all done and replaced. Thanks very much. See you soon.